Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel name on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Twitch website, from which, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the login button at the top right corner. You can simply click on the login button and use your credentials to log into your account. You will then be taken into your homepage, from which you can start watching various different streams. Now, if you wish to change your channel name, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on channel. Now, once you click on your channel page, you will directly be taken into your channel. You can click on the edit button if you see it at the top section, or you can scroll down and click on customize channel. You will then be taken into your channel customization page, where you will be able to find the display name settings. Now, the display name is your channel name. So in order to change your channel name, just make any change you want into the display name section and it will immediately be changed to whatever you enter. Just type in your desired name and click on save changes. And while you're at it, you can also add a bio or change it if you wish. Then click on the save changes button and all of your changes will immediately be saved for your channel. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your channel name on Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.